Page 182 should have this complete now. First one, Asia.
25%.
That is correct. Second one's already done. 20%, yes.
0.20.
Correct.
That's mine.
Would it be wrong if I just wrote 0.2, or do I have to have the 0 behind it?
It would be right because that's in the 10th place.
Yeah, either one is fine. 0.6 as a percent, Emmett.
60.
Thanks, Emmett. And the last one is done for you.
I never do.
Landon.
35 and 65.
Everybody agree with that?
Yeah. No.
Asia.
Kira.
I can't
2.
21, 30, and 42.
Looks good. Maddie.
12, 16, 20.
And the last one, Asia.
30 and 47. You got it wrong, Asia. It's 48.
48,
You
81.
got
48. Add 6.
Hey, at least you tried.
Add 6. At least you completed them all.
I did.
Back page. Again, this should be a review. We did quite a few of these before break. We worked on them yesterday again. All going to have the proportions. Make sure you jot those down, write the arrows down to help you solve. It says the longer a movie has been at a theater, the fewer the people that go see it. The big reason why movies are not in theaters very long. On Friday night during the first week, the movie Attack of the Giant Cockroaches was playing. An average of 200 people attended. By Friday, the average decreased to 150. What is the percent decrease? So obviously the 100 always goes on the right. I'm looking for the percent, so that's going to be where my X goes. Now the formula is written right up here for you again. Hopefully you have that down by now. What is the starting amount? $200. Next question. What is the amount of change?
150.
Incorrect.
Oh, wait. 30.
Incorrect. What? It went from 200 to 150. That is a change of 50. Yes.
But how did it go from there?
So that is the hardest one to find because there's no 50 in the problem.
I know.
A lot of people just like to say, well, it's got to be a 200 or 150. That is not correct. It went from 200 to 150. That is a decrease of 50. That's where that came from. So don't just randomly look and see, oh, it's got to be one of those two. All right, so vertical or horizontal to solve. Okay, arrow going up or down?
Down.
So 5 times or 50 times what is 200? 4?
4D.
No, it's 4.
It's 4. What times 4
25.
is 100? So it's 25% decrease. Question 2. Maddie, would you read that one, please?
There hasn't been any rain or snow in a particular part of California for years. About 10 years ago, the lake in that region was about 60 feet deep. Now it's only 48 feet. By what percentage has the water level on the lake dropped?
All right, Maddie, I want you to help me set this one up. Can you tell me where any numbers go?
It was 60 feet, so that goes under.
Bottom left then?
Yeah.
Okay.
And 100 on the other side. And then an X above the 100.
Because we're looking for the percent now. Here's the tricky one.
And 48 on top of 60. Oh, no, I mean 60 feet. No. I don't know.
and hit it.
It's 48.
Gotta be like 10.
Would it be 50? It's gotta be 10 because I said.
How do you even get the
48.
It's not 48. It's not
Usually it's
60.
All right, so listen, what was the lake at? What did it start at?
It was 60 feet.
Okay, then it went to,
48.
so how much did it change?
60 minus 48. I already did that. I said 28.
It's 22. Right? 22?
What are we
20.
subtracting?
I said 28.
All right, so it was 60 minus 48. So instead of guessing,
28.
let's subtract.
Oh, I was one off. 12.
All right. This one is not very nice vertically or horizontally. So do you remember what the other option is?
Simplify.
Yeah, simplify. Let's reduce 12 over 60. What can go into 12 and 60?
4.
5 cannot. 4?
2. 3 and 4. 3 fourths. 2.
Does 4 go into 60?
Yes.
How many times?
30.
6.
30 times. 6.
6 times 4 is not 60.
No, but
Oh, you want to take 6 out of there. Perfect. What's 12 divided by 6?
2.
10 divided by 6. Or sorry, 60 divided by 6. I gave you the answer. 10. Now look at how much nicer that is. I'm going to do horizontally times 10 times 10.
X would be 200, right?
Nope.
20.
20.
Or 20.
20%. Again, it's a decrease. So I'm going to put a down arrow. All right. I want you to read and set up 3. Do not solve it. Just set it up. I don't want you to solve it if you got it set up incorrectly. Landon, let's hear what you got.
I got X over 100, and then I got 60 over 80. Wait, is 69 over, or is it just 20? Because it was,
Well, you got to read what it's not every problem is the same. It's out asking how much is burned, and you know how much is burned.
yeah, 20 square acres. Oh.
Oh.
So here we just need 20. You got to read what it's asking. You can't just, oh, I always got to subtract, right?
This is all mixed up. It's like-
Any vertically or horizontally here? I'm going to go arrows up this time. How do I get from 80 to 20? Divide by 4. So what's 100 divided by 4? This one's asking for a percent decrease again, so you're going to need to change on this one. See if you can set it up. Question 4. Kira, let's hear how you got it set up.
So you got X over 100
Yep.
and 20 on the bottom,
Yes.
and they put 8 on top.
8, huh? That's correct. Okay, that's how much it changed. It's asking me for a percent decrease, so here I had to subtract again, 20 minus 12 to get 8. You could reduce this here, but this is actually pretty nice going horizontally. Times 5. And again, please draw those arrows in there so I know how you got your answer. 8 times 5 is 40. Label. Percent. Decrease is correct. All right, so your homework is only these 7 problems. Okay, front and back. That will be due tomorrow.